I'm Isabella Tree. I'm really excited to be announcing the publication of my very first picture book, When We Went Wild. It's a story about how my husband Charlie and I moved from intensive farming here on our land in Sussex to rewilding, which is this incredibly exciting project where you simply let the land go wild. So suddenly we have this incredible mosaic, this kaleidoscope of habitats coming back, and that benefits all sorts of wildlife. So now we've got nightingales, turtle doves, purple emperor butterflies, some of the rarest species in Britain, nesting and breeding here on our land. Nobody could have imagined that this could happen, and that could happen so quickly. And driving the whole thing, we have these free-roaming animals. We've got red deer, fallow deer, we've got Exmoor ponies charging around this landscape. And they disturb the ground, they create all sorts of opportunities for other wildlife. This landscape 20 years ago would have been arable crops, hardly any life at all. And now we are just in an area which is just humming, thrumming, buzzing with life. And it's really exciting to have it back. So what's amazing about this book, and I'm really proud of, is that it fits so beautifully with the rewilding sort of ethos, with the whole story, because it is 100% recycled, carbon balanced, and it's made in the UK. So it's everything that we're talking about, sustainability and how we can live sustainably in the future. Rewilding is, I think, a really important message for children, particularly now, who I think may be feeling quite oppressed by the gloom and doom of the environmental stories that hit the headlines all the time. So ultimately, I hope that this will be a story that will inspire children with a positive outlook, even galvanise them in a way to do their own thing for the future, to perhaps restore their own patch of land, be it a backyard, a garden, even the roadside verges around the places that they live. All of this can contribute to rewilding our landscape and to freeing up our minds and rewilding ourselves.